Hello students, today will we discuss about peer evolution. क्या आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या है? peer evolution. क्या होता है? पहले पढ़ेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन. इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द पब्लिक्स क्लेमर फॉर इम्प्रूव्ड केयर क्वालिटी, some nursing organization institute peer review as one method for increasing nurses accountability in effective decision making interventions. पीयर एवोल्यूशन जो है एक प्रोसेस है, प्रक्रिया है. कॉलेजियल फीडबैक ऑन क्वालिटी ऑफ टीचिंग. इसमें क्या होता है, बच्चों को समूह में जो उनके समकक्ष सहपाठी होते हैं उनको पीयर कहा जाता है, पीयर ग्रुप, और उनका एवोल्यूशन किया जाता है. It is a process whereby the students or their peers grade, assignment or tests based on the teacher's benchmark. It is a purposeful process of gathering information and evidence about the effectiveness of teaching process and the educational environment with a view to subjecting it to constructive critical scrutiny. It usually begins with pupil identifying what area they would like feedback on and works best where their process is reciprocal between peers. A key component of peer evaluation is a peer review of current practice, often based on peer observation of teaching interactions. It should always be viewed as an opportunity and not as a threat for both parties. Peer evaluation is a process which one's colleagues assess his quality and accuracy. Peer review is a process by which employees of the same rank, profession, and setting evaluate one another's job performance against accepted standards. An organized effort whereby practicing professionals review the quality and appropriateness of services ordered or performed by their professional peers. The success of peer evaluation depends on short but objective method, trained observers, constructive feedback for faulty development, open communication and trust. मेथड्स क्या हैं पीयर एवोल्यूशन के? डायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन कर सकते हैं. ऑब्जर्वेशन इज द मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंट मेथड यूज्ड. द peer observer may be only passively present or may be actively engaged in the classes. While still serving the observation process, selecting a peer observer can be difficult. Evaluation of course materials. Phases of peer evaluation. The peer evaluation process may be developed using 3 phases of establishing a peer review program, यानी familiarization, utilization and internalization. एडवांटेज क्या है पीयर एवोल्यूशन के? इम्प्रूव टीम वर्क, इनकरेज ग्रुप मेंबर्स, इन्वॉल्वमेंट एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, इनकरेज peers to reflect on their role and contribution to the process of group work. Employing peer evaluation allow teachers to manage their time more effectively while having the students grade each other in results in a more efficient classroom setting. Saves teachers time. टीचर का क्या होता है? टाइम बचता है. व्हेन स्टूडेंट ग्रेड असाइनमेंट इट कैन सेव टीचर्स टाइम बिकॉज एन एंटायर क्लासरूम कैन बी ग्रेडेड टुगेदर. एट द सेम टाइम द टाइम इक्विवेलेंट फॉर द टीचर टू ग्रेड द one paper rather than the teacher having to rush through each paper. The students are able to take their time for the correction. Students can spend time at each because they have just one paper for correction and the grading done is therefore a more thorough job. Focuses on the development of judgment skills, provides more relevant feedback to the students as it is generated by their peers. give opportunities for the hidden leaders to be selected. Having the students create the papers in class or assessing their peers in oral presentations decrease the time taken from the student to receive their feedback. Instead of having to wait for the feedback, the peer evaluation allow assignment to be graded soon after completion. Otherwise, the feedback they get is so late that by the time they have moved on the next chapter and the information is no longer fresh in their minds. नेक्स्ट डिसएडवांटेज क्या हैं? थ्रेट्स टू फ्रेंडशिप बायस, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, आर्टिफिशियली इन्फ्लेटेड, peers feels ill equipped to undertake the assessment, reluctance to make judgment regarding their peers. peer एवोल्यूशन को peer assessment भी कह सकते हैं. peer assessment is a group activity that allow to student to evaluate the work of their peers. Peer assessment takes the attention from the teacher and puts the students at the center of the classroom as they become actively involved in their learning. यानी peer assessment में ध्यान दिया जाता है एंड इसमें क्या होता है, बच्चा क्लास में एक्टिव रहता है, लर्निंग यानी सीखने में वो एक तरीके से इन्वॉल्व रहता है. इसके बेनिफिट्स हैं ऑफ पीयर असेसमेंट इंक्लूड स्टूडेंट डेवलप 21st century स्किल्स सच एज रिफ्लेक्शन, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, कम्युनिकेशन एंड लिसनिंग. Students are actively engaged in learning in this may enhance learning. Students may be more willing to listen to feedback from peers than from their teacher. The role of teacher evaluation makes the student focus more on the grades than seeking feedback. Students learn by doing. Evaluation of their peers very often both of the teachers and the student do not go over test answer sheets to help students understand their mistakes. This would improve the subsequent work and allow students to absorb the information and lead to better understanding. It reduces the marketing workload of the teacher. Students can identify how they learn and what are their weaknesses. Through peer evaluation, students are able to see the mistakes in their thinking and do the learning. To avoid making mistakes in the future assignments, by grading the answer sheets, students are able to understand the grading process and recognize their own strengths and weaknesses while learning how to think while completing the assignments. Likewise, students learn better strategy for taking tests and improving test results. Students not only improve their ability to study for a test after participating in peer evaluation but also enhance their ability to evaluate others through improved metacognitive thinking. Next है drawbacks. Peer assessment may be time consuming for students, negatively affected by group collision, difficult for learners who are struggling academically, unenjoyable for some students, used to grade some students unfairly. Minimizing weakness. The teacher can minimize the weaknesses by training students how to evaluate a piece of work and also in skills of communicating and listening. Use a rubric or checklist that clearly outlines what students are to look for when marking work. Monitoring students during lessons so meaningful feedback can be given. With peer evaluation, students come to see the tests not as a punishment What as a useful feedback, the classmates work together for common intellectual welfare. It creates a cooperative atmosphere for students instead of one where students compete for grades. Peer assessment creates an active learning environment for students and enriches the assessment strategy in the classroom. A key component of peer evaluation is peer review of current practice, often based on peer observation of teaching interactions. It should always be viewed as an opportunity and not as a threat for both parties. It is a purposeful process of gathering information and evidence about the effectiveness of teaching process and the educational environment with a view to subjecting it to constructive criticism. It usually begins with the pupil identifying what areas they would like feedback on the works best, where the process is reciprocal between peers. Okay, thank you for watching.